Hey up guys, Dave here again. You're probably sick of seeing me every day now. Song number 28. Today, I'm jumping on a trend that hasn't been a trend for years. I'm gonna try and write a song using Chat GPT. Let's get cracking. I've had students who've actually used this and it's actually yielded pretty good results. I'm guessing that the more specific you are, the better the results you're gonna get. But I'm gonna try and be vague. Write me a song, please. Sure, what kind of song are you looking for? Let's go emotional and deep and see how deep it goes, please. Got it, here's an emotional and deep acoustic song for you. The night is quiet, but my heart is loud. Echoes of your voice still call me now. I trace your name in the window pane, but it fades away just like the rain. You know what, I'm just going to use this. I'm not expecting anything good, but I think it's just a bit of a fun little warm-up exercise. Chat GPT has said capo 2nd fret, and it wants me to use E minor, C, G, D, and falling like the rain pouring down in all this pain. I really don't like that. I will make tweaks if I want to though. Now I'm going to start with chorus. I've got to get rid of a couple of these, like pouring down in all this pain. I just don't like that at all. Every drop is just your name. I don't like that. Running through my veins again. Like, I don't know, there's just something so generic about this, and understandably so. I'm going to cut things more than anything. My God, it's so cheesy. Falling like the rain, it's pouring down again. Do you feel the same? Or am I falling like the rain? Okay, I've got my chorus. Right, verse, so I'm going to go with what it says. It said to do some finger picking. My heart is loud, I don't like that at all. My heart is screaming out. I'm not going to like anything in this. Night is quiet, but my heart is screaming out. Oh my God, that is so shit. This is making me laugh so much, this thing. I really hate that I trace your name on the window pane. I'll write your name on the window pane. I met the man who invented the windowsill the other week. He was a right ledge. Trace your name on the window pane, but it fades just like the rain. Try to hold on, but the wind was so strong. Part of it is just because this is just nothing like I would write at all. It all technically works. It's just not very good. I write your name on the window pane. I'm gonna go with it. I'm not gonna bother working on this too hard. The night is quiet, but my heart is calling out for the echoes of your voice still ringing now. Write your name on the window, but it goes away just like the rain. That'll do. Pre-chorus. What chord did they say to use? C, G, D, E minor. Okay, I don't like that. I don't think I'll be able to do this without laughing if I kept it the same. Try to hold on, but the wind was so strong. I'm left with the words to a broken song. I'm just going to use I tried to hold on. Try to hold on. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Fuck it. Verse 2. What have they got? Right, the photographs don't tell the truth. They show the smiles, but hide the proof. Every memory cuts so deep, like a promise we couldn't keep. It just don't tell the truth. They show the smiles, but they hide the proof. Every memory cuts so deep, like a promise we couldn't keep. And I tried to hold on. It's saying a bridge, so I'm going to put a bridge in as well. Do they give a chord progression for the bridge? C, D, E minor, G. Maybe someday the storm will pass and I find peace in what we had. But tonight I'm standing in the dark with nothing but the sound of my breaking heart. I suppose you could say that I'm probably trying to make like lemonade out of lemons here, but I think that was a really good exercise, putting lyrics and music together. If I'd have given it something more specific, like I'd have said like I wanted lyrics in the style of this person, combined with this person, chord progression in the style of this person, about something that I would want to write about, I think it could have generated something, or at least given me some prompts to start off, to like get the ball rolling for a song. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.